Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of WordPress MU-Plugins. I'll explain what MU-Plugins are and show you how to create a basic MU-Plugin. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what are MU-Plugins? So MU stands for must use. Here you can see in your WordPress codex file. Online you can check it out. I'll put the link into the description as well. Okay, so this is a must use plugin. Unlike the regular plugins that you are activating through the WordPress admin area, MU plugins are automatically activated and will be always there in your WordPress. They live in a special directory and are great for site specific customizations. For suppose you have your own requirement and want it to be there in your WordPress instance every time, right? So what you will do, instead of building a regular plugin in your WordPress, you will create a must use plugin, the MU plugin. We'll see how we can create MU plugins and how we can manage that. For that, let's go to our WordPress admin area. To navigate to the MU plugins, you must go to the plugins and you'll see there is no MU plugins right now. So what we'll do is we'll open our code, the website code in VS Code. In the WP content folder, you'll see that there is no MU plugins directory. So let's create one. All the MU plugins will reside there. MU plugins. In this folder, you will create your PHP files for your codes and I'll show you how you can do that. So let's say my MU plugin.php file is there. So this will be my one MU plugin. Same as you are creating your regular plugin in WordPress, you can create the same piece of code within the MU plugin, right? So let's open the PHP tag. Here is the header fields that we need to mention for plugin. So let's say plugin name is my MU plugin. Save this and go to your plugins in WordPress admin and you will see must use plugin is there, right? So you have created a MyMU plugin that will be here. You can add the description as well. Description as this is my MU plugin. Save and refresh. You'll see the description as well. Now you will notice that there is no option for activating, deactivating or deleting any plugin, right? If you are going to all plugins and see these are the regular plugins which has the deactivate plugin option. In must use, you won't have any of the actions over here, such as it is already activated and you cannot modify it through the admin area. So as we have seen in the regular plugin development, we'll do the same. If you haven't checked my previous video on creating a custom WordPress plugin, I'll drop a link in description. You can check it from there. Now, as we have done this part, like we have added the postfix, right? Let's just deactivate that plugin and we can see our functionality has been gone, right? We'll do that with our MU plugin as well. So let's just do that. Add filter. We are adding a filter for the title hook and we are having the functionality as well. So there will be a callback function as well. Change page title. We'll copy this function name, the callback function name, and create a function. Now this function has a title, the original title that is there in posts and pages. So we'll return the title with the postfix. Let's save this and refresh the page. You can see that our page titles has the postfix, right? And if you want that your if you want that your WordPress instance should have this by default and should be activated all the time, right? So you can have this in your MU plugins. You can do any such functionalities in your MU plugin, and that's it. You have just created a basic MU plugin. This is a powerful tool for any custom functionality that you always want active on your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.